I'm Bob, I represent MaxVac and I'm here today at Drag2Zero at Silverstone Road. Well, Drag2Zero contacted us and so they realised that they had a potential problem with dust. They work an awful lot with carbon fibre and most people don't realise the dangers of carbon fibre. And this morning we've finished our consultation period really with fitting the guys with their respiratory protection.
A lot of the stuff we work with is not great to breathe in, so like long exposure to it over long periods of time can be quite damaging to our bodies, and it's good knowing that we've got the right equipment to comfortably and safely do the work we need to do.
And we've carried out 2 successful facefit testings today, which has allowed Simon to go away with a clean bill of health on his risk assessments for the business. And also he's really very happy that he's looking after his staff, which, you know, he's got a really nice attitude towards that. So absolutely super aspect from that.
Today we've been checking that our masks fit and work correctly. That's so important because you just assume when you put a mask on that you're safe, but actually if it's not working correctly, it's a false sense of security. So today we've been going through different movements, making sure the mask fits properly when you can breathe lightly, heavily and moving around, just to make sure it's always performing as you'd expect it to.
We've been getting our masks fitted and then testing the fit of them, making sure that the seal's all good on the face for like doing different activities, so bending down, talking, moving your head around, just general movements so that when we're working on our machines and doing like the daily tasks with them, that they've got a good seal and we're not breathing in any bad little bits of dust and stuff, and keeping our bodies safe.
It's essential because I mean it's a worry when you're working in a dusty environment that you could be breathing things in, and using masks previously we were never really sure if we weren't still breathing in dust, and that obviously that's a huge worry in the workplace. Even though you think you're doing the right thing and you purchased a mask, it's just a waste of time but to see in the data today gives me a lot of confidence and reassurance that there aren't any particles being breathed in if I fit it in and follow the procedures that Bob gave to us. So it's excellent.